Okay, so once again, good evening everyone. No? So, we welcome everyone to Joanna's 18th birthday. Okay? Ayan, so this celebration, no, itong celebration na to is ginagawa natin siya not only to celebrate, no, but also to celebrate the life of our kapatid na si Joanna, di ba? Ayan, so sabi nga, debut or the 18th birthday of a girl is a very important event sa isang babae, di ba? Ayan, so sa isang babae, kasi ang debut or ang 18th birthday, hindi lang siya nag-signify na legal age ka na pwede ka nang makulong, ay, hindi ganun pala, na hindi porket 18 ka na is pwede mo nang gawin lahat ng pwedeng gawin ng isang adult, no? But the importance of it is that as you step sa edad na 18, no, you know how to handle your decisions in life. Most especially, no, your decisions when it comes to God, when it comes with God, di ba? And we are also witnesses tayo kung paano nga ba si Joanna lumaki, no? Paano natin siya nakilala as kapatid natin dito sa simbahan, di ba? Okay.